Hello viewers, in this segment we are going to see the prose on the rule of the road. It was written by A.G. Gardiner. When the prose begins, a stout old lady was walking in the middle of the streets by holding a basket in her hands among heavy traffic. She was moving without any hesitation. When a question is raised to her like whether the pedestrians have no other way to walk, she replied that I am walking where I like to walk. Now we have got liberty. So, according to her, walking in the middle of the road is liberty. If that is so, finally, that liberty will end up in confusion only. Everybody will be going in others' way. If that continues, individual liberty will end up without any sense in the society. Like this old lady who's carrying the baskets, if the individual liberty of people is too much over, then that too a dangerous one. It is reminding about the rules of the road. It denotes that if everyone's liberty has to be maintained, then everyone's liberty must be reduced. A policeman being there in the middle of the road and waving his hands are not the symbol of autocracy, but it is the symbol of liberty. But everybody won't think in that way. Because while traveling in hurry, when they trap the car, we feel like our liberty is gone. You may think that even while using common highway, this man is interfering us. In the same time, if you are a thoughtful person, you will think that the police who didn't stop you will never stop anybody. Then it will be like maelstrom and can't able to cross the road. According to the individual liberty only, we could enjoy the societal liberty truly. Liberty is not only the individual one, but the societal contract too. Specified interest is needed for that. There is nothing wrong in being free as we like, but it is fine until it doesn't disturb others' liberty. Now, while walking on the road with a dressing gown, other people, those who are watching it, have the rights to laugh at it. At the same time, you also have liberty to be indifferent from others by wearing that dress. To dye the hair, to wax the mustache, just to wear a overcoat and a chapel, to sleep late and to wake up early, to follow the desires, we have liberty. To do all those things, no need of anybody's permission. There is no need to ask permission to eat mustard with mutton. To ask about your religion, whether you prefer Wordsworth or whom do you prefer, like that nobody is going to ask you. Thousands of things like this we are taking care of us. We are the desirers for our own things. There is no need for others' permission for that. To do all these things, we have our own kingdom. We are the only person ruling in it. We are choosing what we like, whether we want to be wise or comedian, want to be hard or soft, want to be normal or unique. We are doing all this as we like. But when we are coming out of our kingdom, our individual liberty, actions, everything is qualified by the liberty of other people's liberty. We may desire to practice trampoline until morning 3 o'clock. But to do that, if we go to the top of the Everest, it could be satisfy our desire. If we want the same thing to be done in the bedroom, family members won't accept that. If the same thing is done outside in the streets, then the neighbors will remind one thing, that is, they will think that his liberty of blowing trampoline is disturbing their liberty of sleeping quietly. There are a lot of people in this world. Our liberty should go in line with their liberty. But we'll forget all this. We'll be very minute to find out others' mistakes rather than ours. Understanding of others' rights and feelings are the basics for society's well-being. In small things like respecting the rules of the road, we could judge ourselves whether we are civilized or uncivilized. It is very rare to make heroism moments and sacrifice. In our life, the small and tiny things we make in the common places will lead a very great life. According to that only, our life journey will be either sweet or bitter. Thus, the prose ends, and stay tuned with Learning Station for further videos.